I got up this morning while I was having my coffee. My woman came in, sat down by my side. I found someone of my own. Let's get started. Hey, Aaron Smith here. I found someone of my own. Probably been years since you heard this song. Pretty easy to play. There's nothing fancy about it, just chords. And so here we start. Real easy. The old E minor. And of course, you got to work, do your bass. Do your bass. I got up this morning. Now I'll slow it down. It might be a little bit faster. I got up this morning. Then you hit this. As I was having my coffee. Come up to there. My woman came in, sat down by my side with tears in her eyes. She said, I have a confession to make. Now I said, woman, and here you change. Speak what's on your mind. So we're just work that a little at a time. Good song here. Okay, so I got up this morning while I was having my coffee. Just like that. My woman came in, sat down by my side. So I'm doing my bass. With tears in her eyes, she said, I have a confession to make. I said, woman, here you change. Speak what's on your mind. Okay, so here we go. And I said, woman, here, go up to this. Speak what's on your mind. B minor, goes to B minor. She said, I found somebody new to take your place. I said, don't feel so alone. Up to an A, 'cause I found someone of my own. And that's basically the whole song right there. Or at least it's all the parts I got of it. I don't think there's any lead breaks in it or nothing. I should have listened to it, but it's been a while since I've heard it. But so again, I got up this morning. Now I'm not gonna run through the whole song. You could do that. It's the same all the way through. You just gotta get the chords down. I got up this morning while I was having my coffee. My woman came in, sat down by my side with tears in her eyes. She said, I have a confession to make. And I said, woman, here's when you change. Speak what's on your mind. B minor. She said, I found somebody new to take your place. I said, don't feel so alone, 'cause I found someone of my own. Then goes up to a B. goes up to the B, and then back to the next verse. What is the next verse? All those lonely nights you left me all alone. My new love called, comfort me on the phone. And I said, woman, if that's the way it's got to be, then darling, here's when you go up, don't you worry about me. She said I found somebody new to take your place. I said don't feel so alone, 'cause I found someone of my own. So then goes the third verse, and everything. But other than that, that's the whole song. And you go to that B, remember, before the next verse, and then you come back to that D, la da 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 da, and then right before the chorus, she said I found somebody new to take your place. I said don't feel so alone, 'cause I found someone of my own. Goes up that B, and then goes to the next verse. So that's the whole song. Really ain't that bad. Now you're going to see what your next lesson is going to be. Till next time. Later.